Can you hide photos on Instagram without deleting them? I'll just go ahead and open up our Instagram app. And from here, let's click on our profile icon at the bottom right. Now we should get to our profile page and select a photo from your profile that you want to hide without deleting it. For example, I want to hide this photo from my feed or profile. What we're going to do is to click on the three dots at the top right of that post. And from here, we are going to tap on Archive. As you can see, the photo is now hidden from our profile page. We just moved it to our archived folder. So to access that folder, you can click on the three bar line at the top right. And right here, you should be able to see the archive option. And at the top, make sure that you are at the post archive. And you should be able to see the post that you just hid from your profile right here. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.